Welcome to Babs Projects. Today I'm going to show you how to make fugias. Fugia is a fermented, light, airy, deep fried bread that is almost similar to zeppoli. It's a popular dish among the East Indian community and made during Easter, Christmas and other important events. So let me show you how to make fugias. The first step is to prep the yeast. This is an eggless fugia recipe, so I'm going to use yeast which will aid in fermentation of the fugias. I'm going to start by adding some warm water. Next I'm going to add some sugar. Mix them. And then I'm going to add some yeast. And this is active dry yeast, a whole packet of it. Mix it. And now I'm going to set this aside for 10 minutes. I'm going to make the dough now, and for the dough I have some all-purpose flour, some salt. I'm going to lightly mix it. You can do this by hand also. Next I'm going to add some sugar and some coconut milk. If you don't have coconut milk, you can use regular milk. And now I'm going to mix it. Start off slow. I'll add some oil and mix again. And lastly, I'm going to add the yeast. So the dough is done. I'm going to take it off from here. So you can see how sticky it is. Stick to my fingers. So this is the consistency that I want. I've transferred the dough into this bowl, and now I'm going to let it rest and rise for 2 hours. I'm going to cover it with the kitchen towel and allow it to rest for 2 hours. So it has been some time now, and you can see the dough has risen beautifully. If I show it, it is sticky. You can see how it sticks, and that is good. That's how we need it. So in a little while I'm going to start making fugias. Now I'm going to show you how to make the fugias. A little bit tricky, but I love this part. So grab a handful of dough and squeeze it in between these two fingers, thumb and your forefinger, and dip your right hand fingers into some water and pinch off the top and drop it in oil and keep doing this. All the fugias are done, and I'm going to show how it looks from inside. See how nice and airy it looks. That's what we want. And then traditionally this is eaten with curry, any kind of curry like chicken curry or pork curry. Today I made, in the morning I made egg curry. So I'm just going to dip it like this, and then that's how you eat it. And the other thing that my kids like to do is drizzle some maple syrup over it or powdered sugar and eat it like separately. So it's really up to you what you want to do and how you want to eat it. But if the traditional way you want to eat it, then eat it with curry. The exact measurements for this fugia recipe is up on my blog, and I'm going to post the link of that in the description below. So make sure you check it out. And if you love this recipe, then show me some love. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that I'll be able to bring some more wonderful recipes like this to you. Until next time, goodbye.